Hey guys, this is your tutorial for Friday the 13th. Click the attendance link so we can give you credit for being here. A couple of checklist reminders. Keep working on that weather patterns vocabulary because it is going to be due on Monday. Okay, so you got to get that vocab ready and done by Monday. Because that's on Monday, that also means you're going to be having a quiz on Monday on severe weather and on your high and low pressure systems. Finish working on your weather interactive activity. It's due today. And you're going to begin working on a Weatherman Flipgrid assignment. Okay, so the interactive activity yesterday, you guys were just clicking links and answering questions, and if you didn't finish it, it's due today, so you can keep working on it until you're ready to turn it in. And then you need to at least start your Weatherman Flipgrid assignment today. So let's talk about this Flipgrid assignment. We did Flipgrid when we did the superheroes for the layers of the atmosphere, so this is going to be very similar to that. I put a how-to manual right here just so you guys can refresh your memory on how to log in. So all you have to do is click this link that your teacher has provided, and it should link you to their Flipgrid, and you're going to choose to use a sign-in with your Google account, so your @jcsnc.org account that we use here at school. You're going to see a caption pop up that says, "Be a meteorologist." So I'm going to show you exactly what to do or what happens when you click this link. So I'm opening up this link. It says, "Be a meteorologist." I told you to click Join with Google. So when you click that, you choose your name. I'm going to choose my son's name because he has a jcsnc.org account just like you guys do. So once you do that, you'll see that it says, "Look at the student sheet in Google Classroom to help you prepare for your weather report." So there's a student sheet that goes along that kind of gives you a script of different things you have to do in your weather report. Now there is a specific image you're going to use for your weather report, and it says click here to get a background image because you're going to be wanting to refer to the image and being like, here's a cold front moving through such and such area. So you have to click this link to download this image. So it should pop up in Google Drive and you should see this weather map here. And the little down arrow means download. So once you click it, it downloads onto your computer. So you see down there, it downloaded for me, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Flipgrid and you're going to choose record a response. Okay? And then it's going to show you in the camera. So I want you guys to go to effects and photo because we want to add that photo that we just downloaded. So you click there and you find it in your download. Let's see, it should be all the way down here. There it is, Weather Map Project. When you click it, it should add the picture for you. So there it is. I would put it maybe halfway of your screen so that you could kind of refer to it and like put it in half the screen and then kind of just rotate your body to be on the other half to refer to the image as you're talking or doing the weather, right? So let me go back to the presentation really quick. It says we downloaded the map, we went to effects, we did the photo. Now it says click inside the rectangle to upload the image. We got that and we sized it to half of our screen. So good, we got that far. So if you look, this will be the template that you have in Google Classroom for you to kind of work with. So the guidelines for the assignment are you have to give an introduction of yourself. So you're a meteorologist, right? Make up a news station that you're reporting for. Choose a city on the weather map anywhere in the United States, and that's the city you'll be reporting for. And you're going to have to give an accurate description of the current weather based off of what's happening on that weather map at whatever area you're choosing. And explain why it's happening. So if you're saying that there's thunderstorms in Chicago, then look at Chicago, see if there's a low pressure system nearby or a cold front and mention that because low pressure systems bring bad weather and cold fronts typically cause thunderstorms. So you have to make sure you are presenting the weather but also saying the why. So why is it happening? Okay? You need to accurately describe tomorrow's weather too. So consider whatever's on that weather map moving a little bit and looking at what's behind it. So what's going to come on the next day. Okay, you can talk about fronts, you can talk about air masses, pressure systems, precipitation, whatever you want. Okay, and then do like a closing remarks for your little meteorology presentation. So you can say maybe what to wear tomorrow, maybe you need to bring an umbrella to work tomorrow, talk about maybe, you know, if a thunderstorm's coming, safety, for how to be safe during a thunderstorm. And you could even be funny and add something at the end after your closing remarks and just be like, you know, now on to David for COVID news, or whatever you want to do. You be creative, you just kind of make it your own, as long as you're hitting those key components I talked to you about. Now down here, you see that there is fronts, describe nearby pressure systems, talk about wind directions, forecasting for the following day. So it just kind of gives you an organized template to put your information in. And then this is a script template in case you needed something to kind of like help you with what you're going to say. Okay, so you will have access to this in the classwork tab. And then here's a picture of that map really big so you can see it. And this is actually a current weather map. It was on October 29th when that hurricane was getting ready to hit down here, the Gulf. Okay, so that is what we are doing today. I'm going to go back to Flipgrid and just kind of show you guys. I know you know the different features that it has because we've done it before. But if you click mirror video, then that is when you have your normal vision to like where when you point, it actually goes the correct way. If you don't have mirror video on, if I'm trying to point to the map, it doesn't go to the map. It goes the opposite way. So you've got to click mirror video, and that way it'll do the mirror image and point to what you need it to point to. Okay? So that is how you do the Flipgrid for today. If you have any questions, let your teachers know. There's Miss Smith in my tutorial. Ruiner. All right. And if you have any questions, just let your teacher know, and we'll be happy to help you.